This is Eric Muathe with Muathe.com with about 40 minutes to go before the end of the session for this Friday, being May 14th. And we have the weekend market analysis where we'll cover US markets, Canadian market, Nifty. And we'll also cover commodities, gold, crude oil, and take a look at some cryptos for this weekend's market analysis video. We can see for the most part, Friday's session is a positive gain for the markets, including also positive gains for cryptos. BTC up about 1%, Ethereum up about 9%, LTC up about 2.5%, ETC up about 16%. For the week, S&P 500 is down about 1.5%, not the biggest down week ever. The Dow down about a percentage point, not a big deal essentially. Nasdaq was down the most, down about 2.3% as we come close to the end of the week. So as of right now, we are still looking at a market that we can say for the Nasdaq based on the prior weekly closing high from February. We can say the weekly breakout still remains intact. The market tried to push to new highs but failed. But this week we did try to break down with this weekly closing low from the month of March. So at some point early in the week, looked like, or in the middle of the week, looked like we were about to break that level, but we did not push through it. As of right now, the market held. So we can say essentially, using the Nasdaq here, we can say that the market continues to be stuck in this base. At some point down the road, it's going to take a nice quality breakout to push markets beyond current range to the upside. And it's going to take a breakdown below this box for there to be a reason to cause some stampede, some selling in the market, and for prices to drift lower. We can also say that the market has been holding the weekly RSI above 50 since about April of last year, 2020. And as long as the Nasdaq is able to hold and maintain its RSI above 50, the market should be at the very worst down to sideways. And at the very best, you can expect this market to continue being stable to bullish as long as the RSI is above 50 as it is right now. And with that, we conclude the free preview portion of this video. The rest of the video is for paid clients.